Students here at Troy University were getting their resumes looked at and reviewed and giving some key points on how they could improve their resumes. Wednesday night, the Sorrel 360 group and the marketing club teamed up to help students prepare for their up-and-coming job hunts.
I was here today to talk to these students about marketing yourself and how to put the best foot forward possible to potential employers.
During the event, students learned about Thomas's career and how she used a resume to market herself. And most importantly, tips that students can use to begin their job searches.
I learned how to fix my resume and how I can make it better and how to make a better impression when going into an interview.
Speaking of interviews, students also learned tips they can use when talking to potential bosses. Advice includes shaking hands, maintaining eye contact, and learning to leave cell phones behind.
I learned a lot about making my resume better and like the do's and don'ts, and then also just like a lot of useful tips when entering the workforce.
The marketing club hosts regular meetings throughout the semester. Would y'all recommend more students for Troy University to come to one of these meetings?
Yes, I would definitely recommend.
For sure.
For more information, you can follow Troy Marketing Club on Instagram, Quindarius Corner, Troy, TrojanVision News.